Hey, what's up you guys? It's Tempting Mars, and today I have Coach's Soft Empire Carryall Bag 40. This is probably the most exciting bag that I have gotten that I can't wait to open and unbox for you guys. I'm not seeing what's in here and what it looks like in person. And this is going for $850 Canadian. I want to let you guys know already that this bag has some weight to it, okay? This is a pretty hefty bag. So if you're looking for a soft and light bag, if you think this is soft, this is not. It seems insanely durable. Let's open it up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all, this is the classiest suitcase bag I've ever seen in my entire life, you guys. Okay, and here we have the strap. So we're gonna cut that off. And here we have this beautiful, beautiful shoulder strap. Beautiful quality. I like how this strap isn't insanely long. This is the back of the bag. It is a very nice, smooth leather feel. It's not pebbly at all. I really like the quality of these straps. Oh. There already seems to have a little bit of damage on it. I'm gonna take a photo of that. So I guess it came in with a little bit of damage, you guys, which I'm not a fan of. A little bit of damage on the strap, which, you know, when you're paying for a bag and it's $850, you guys, I kind of expect top quality inspection of the bag. And come on, you know what I mean? Come on. I don't like that. I don't like that. They could have done better there. I am 100% certain that Coach would apologize and fix it for me, especially since they have a free leather care program. So here is the side of the bag, which has this really nice kind of ruffling, which I really do like actually. It adds a little bit more flair, and then it has a thick strap here. Oh, wow, look at the bottom. Okay, the bottom has these protective hardware pieces, so that when your bag hits the ground, it's not hitting this spot, it's hitting these, which I actually really like. I don't like that some of the Coach bags don't have this, but I understand it's because typically the Coach purses that I review are smaller, so it makes sense that, oh, you can just drop it down or drop it on a table, whereas this can actually be set down beside a desk, beside different places on the ground, which technically I wouldn't do with this bag because it's just so gorgeous. I wouldn't take that risk, but a lot of people 100% would. I also love this little flare here too. And here's the Coach decoration, which I think is really important. And you know, you can always take it off if you don't want that. I think I would take it off personally. I think it would add more style if I took that little tag off. Now let's open it up without further ado. Okay, there's a nice little protective space here. When you look inside the bag, you can actually see that that side that we were looking at right here, this side with the ruffles, it's actually adjustable. So you can make the space of your bag even bigger and wider. The inside, as you can see, is mainly just one big area. There is a smaller pocket here, which I will turn this around to show you, which, as you can see, is still a pretty big pocket. It's bigger than the other purses for sure. That is the only pocket that they have besides that huge space, okay? That huge, large space that you see feels very soft, but very sturdy. The inside of the bag is very nice. There is a lot of space. This is insanely stylish. I have my trusty iPad here and I have my laptop here, my big MacBook Pro. We're gonna see if it fits inside. Yeah, obviously, because it is just one large hole, you will have to have some padding or something for your laptop or a laptop case. Yeah, it fits that. It fits my iPad in there as well, and it's probably going to fit so many other things. This is a lot of space, you guys. This is actually probably the perfect carry bag for everyday essentials, like genuinely everyday essentials. What everyday essentials means for me is I'm not just talking about necessities. I like to carry around my iPad. I like to carry around books. I like to carry around pens and planners and so many different things along with the necessities. That is essential to me. And this bag is actually perfect for it. I will say though, as I said before, this is a hefty bag. This is a pretty heavy bag. So I'm not sure if you'll actually want to use these straps, maybe a little bit, but I'm glad it has this big shoulder strap. I love this bag. Okay, I'm in love with it. I usually don't say that often. The pieces where I do say that I love it, I 100% keep in my collection to use every single day. Here are the measurements, materials, handle, strap, features, additional details, which says, please note, the burnished style features a dimensional look with varying degrees of high and low color. The bag may differ slightly from what is pictured due to its unique nature. I like that. And here are the editor's notes. A vintage-inspired silhouette. Our Empire Carryall is designed with a New York state of mind and attitude. Crafted of natural grain leather with a beautiful texture and soft feel. The generously sized 40 is great for everyday, featuring a roomy open compartment with space for a 13-inch laptop and a snap pocket to hold essentials. Finished with a zip top closure and interior buckles to expand the side gussets for increased capacity. Carry by the top handles or wear hands-free with the detachable crossbody strap. And here are some of the reviews. I'm wearing the bag right now with my MacBook, with my iPad, and it is definitely heavy. Like, I do feel it on my shoulder. If you cannot handle the weight, then I would suggest to not wear this. And I would suggest to look into more of a backpack or just a lighter bag. I would say that I love the feel of the bag. I love the style of it. I think it's very, very iconic. I think this could be a very insanely special bag. And honestly, if I was well equipped to handle the weight, I think I would wear this bag literally every single day. Every single damn day. Because it is just one of the prettiest suitcase bags I've ever seen. And I'm just being real. Here I am also showing you what it looks like with the shoulder strap on. If you are not having to travel far, insanely far, you might get away with having this bag. Without the laptop and the iPad in it, it actually is feeling like way lighter now, to be honest. And maybe that's just because I was so used to the heavy draining of how big that MacBook Pro is. But I'm like, yeah, I could put a book, I could put some planners in it, and I'd be fine. I would suggest if you were having to trek really far, with electronics like that, 100% take a backpack, because it's better for your shoulders when you're just dealing with it on your back rather than this. Personally, as I've said a million times in this video, I absolutely love this bag. I would recommend this one for sure if you have the money. It is so beautiful. Like, genuinely makes me want to cry, makes me want to tear up. That's how beautiful it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out some of my other videos if you're interested. I do some other Coach unboxing and reviews, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!